If I had had somebody like me trying to convince me 3.5 years ago of this same kind of stuff, I would have looked at them and given them about 15 seconds of my time and walked away and dismissed them flat out. So I understand the struggle is real. We have been told by people that we trust our lives with that certain things are the way to go. The food pyramid, the 5 servings of grains and fruits and vegetables, limit meat because it's a cancer-causing powerhouse. News channels, the number one item of commercials on news outlets are pharmaceutical drugs. It's like, you need this for this symptom, this for this symptom. There is no money in curing people, and pharmaceutical companies are businesses. They're not in the business of cures. Repeat customers make money. That is the reality. Food companies, they know exactly what their foods are doing to people, but they're making a lot of money. Do I fault them? I don't know if I can, because they're in the business of making money. I'm not giving them a free pass, certainly. But where I do have trouble with that whole system is how it kind of evolved and warped into the federal government, kind of getting behind some of these companies that have large enough lobbies and influence to direct our health guidelines. There's also been a part of me that gotten a little angry at times, being thought of as my health and my body for several decades of my adult life, being used as a little profit pawn in these food companies and in the medical industry, and me still living a life of obesity. Health is declining, and yet it was sanctioned by government guidelines. I didn't have the information to make my own decision not to go that route. I'm grateful to no end that I was 56 years old when I finally took that journey and started to investigate on my own and got the answers that have helped me regain my health.